Hi, my name is Anders Brolund. Today we are out in the field to do a special field test. Earlier this year we released the 30 caliber Bondstrike, and right now I have two Bondstrike 6.5. So the pressure is on to hit the target on 1000 meter, so wish me luck. We need to improvise a little bit with the target, so for this reason, for this test, we will use a watermelon. Thousand meters, 1 kilometer. Perfect. Let's go. So the rifle is zeroed at 300 meter, and we will do the adjustment we need to get up to 1000 meters and have a perfect shot. The condition today is rather good. It's the right wind, 2 meters per second, roughly. A little bit rainy, foggy, but we will have a try. And of course, I need some luck, but I think the routine is also in the back to hit the target on 1000 meters. Okej, då kör vi. Är du med? Mm. Yes! We made it! Perfect! I think it's rather close to be in the center also. This is unbelievable bullet. I have heard so many good things about this from the ballistic department. All the tests so far. And actually it shows directly now on 1000 meters. Of course, maybe a little bit lucky, but I think this product will be just perfect also for you to shoot on long distance. And the good thing with all this is I have one more for next adventure. Wow! Perfect! This is just perfect. A little bit high, but good for the center shot. I'm really happy with this one. 1000 meter, and you can still see some effect inside. This is just perfect. So I really wonder what the next event will be, because this one was super duper to do.